All right, amongst the mess, about to start breaking down this bitch. You got this shit like, I want to say three or 4 years ago. Pretty good deal. Got it with a computer, wiring harness, transmission for a couple $100. It's let me get this thing in focus. It's 92 PR31 B16A 1407826. Again, hopefully nobody got. I got this from some dude off of Craigslist, so But I'm gonna rip the head off, take the head of the machine shop, have them fuck with it, rip the bottom end apart, clean it as best as possible, then take the bottom end to the machine shop, salvage what I can salvage in it. I got a B20 in my hatchback. I'm gonna try to put this head on that, I think, for a little bit. Drive that around. Try the B16, B20. I got another one over there for another car. But this one, rip this apart. Side project. Way too much shit going on. Never enough time. But, I think it's like January 12th or 13th. So see how long this takes me to get done. But I'm about to start getting everything around it off, and then I'll rip this head off within the next couple of days, because I'm just going to leave it right here so it's in the way, and it should literally only take me like fucking 20 minutes, 30 minutes to take this head off. I should just do it. But I'm lazy, Too much other shit distracted me. Too many other side projects. Like I'm pulling this out, but no. I'm working on this because I was gonna fuck with my truck, but had to easy out a valve cover bolt that broke off in there. And in the process of that, I tried to get as much, of the metal out of there as I could, but I can still see it in there on the spring. So I'm going to take it to the machine shop and have them clean it. The table's a fucking mess. Well, this is all the Chevy shit mostly. And a bunch of other random junk. But, yeah. Need to get this done. So I'm going to take this there tomorrow morning. No matter what. Have them clean that shit out. Check it, make sure it's not warped or nothing. And then put my fucking truck back together. Because I got the truck for work, but mostly to pull my Hondas around. So I need my truck going. And I got to go out to my property with my truck. Been beating my Mazda up, fucking one, instead of just fixing my truck and working on all my other cars. Cars are fun. So, keep doing it. All right.